Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time कि मैंने कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाई, but I'm back on my channel and I'm just going to make regular videos. I will share more ideas, more makeup tutorials and so many things, and I will share some motivational stuff. So if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. It's a fall glam winter inspired makeup look. As you see, I'm using shades of brown, oranges, golden because winter is coming. So winter is full of glam and autumn is going to start from 22nd of September. So it's a full of glam winter fall autumn season makeup look. So if you like my makeup look, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon button, and I will see you in my next video. I'm going to start my tutorial with red lipstick. I know you're getting confused. Actually, I'm run out of my color corrector, so that's why I'm using today red lipstick to conceal my dark circles and hyperpigmentation. And after this, I'm going to take my Instant 8 Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, one of the best concealer for dark circles, and then I'm going to conceal my dark circles and blend it with Beauty Blender. Next, I'm going to make a base for my eyeshadows and I'm applying concealer on my base of the eye with Beauty Blender, because once you apply concealer on your base, you get very nice look for eyeshadows. I'm taking Nude Obsession from Huda Beauty palette and I'm taking light brown shade and blend it on my eyes. And the next palette is Juvia's Place palette and I'm taking fall brown glam color from this palette and going to blend it on my eyes slowly. Again, I'm taking dark brown shade from Huda Beauty Obsession palette. And the next one is foundation. For foundation, today I'm using ordinary foundation. This foundation is one of the most suitable foundation. It's not that much expensive and it will give you full coverage without heavy look. And now the next step is my eyebrows. I'm going to fill my eyebrows. For contouring, I'm using Revolution contouring palette. As you see, I'm making some points and then I'm going to blend this contouring with Beauty Blender. You have to always do contouring in the upward position to get natural look, because if you are not going to blend it well, then you get some brown marks and it's not looking in your makeup look. For eyelashes, I'm going to use mascara from Makeup Forever. For highlighting, today I'm using Huda Beauty 3D palette and going to blend this rose gold color on my face to give some natural glow. And once you apply on your face, it gives you some glowy natural look. And for my lips, I'm going to experiment with two lipsticks. One is Pakistani brand, They Fight, and other one is Makeup Forever shade. So let's go for the final look.
देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई जिस्म जैसे अजंता की मूरत कोई जिस्म जैसे निगाहों पे जादू कोई जिस्म नगमा कोई जिस्म खुशबू कोई जिस्म जैसे